Once, a young girl was caught having sex with a young man in a village. As it was a village incident, so few villagers demanded themselves wise person in the village got together and started judging the young girl. After judgment, it was decided that the young girl will be rotated into village, exposing her breast as publicity of her crime. As per direction of the village judges, an adult girl was compelled to walk around the village half naked. A group of sex hunger of the village looked at the young girl's breast and satisfied their mental sexuality. The next day, the girl committed suicide to escape shame and humiliation. This kind of social crime is happening in our society, especially Indian subcontinent every day. Although the character of the incident is more or less different, ultimately in this patriarchal society, women have to suffer in this way. Although the landmark of judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court has stated that it is not a crime for two young adults to engage in consensual sex. In spite of that, some people who consider themselves the vanguard of the society are constantly committing such type of social crime. Some people in the Indian subcontinent think that Western civilization has embraced open sex. They may not know that in a country like United States of America, the brutal abuse of women like Indian subcontinent is almost non-existent. In the West, consensual sex between two adults is recognized as a civil right. But sadly, the constant sexual abuse of girls in the Indian subcontinent in the name of protecting religion and indigenous culture is one of the ultimate inhuman act. There are some religious leaders in our society who brutally abuse women day after day for the sake of religion. They are talking about defending the religion, but in reality they got sexual satisfaction by raping his wife or a woman. Many of this type of person are in prison after being convicted. You have to understand that this kind of crime will continue to happen as long as women in the society and family do not get respect from men. It is not possible to eradicate such crimes from the society just by enacting laws. This is never possible without the awakening of human consciousness. The man who judged the woman to talk around naked, he should think This woman will be a mother one day, and she deserves to be an honorable lady like his own mother. Equal rights for women should not be just a matter of words. It is the duty of every man should make it in reality. Religious leaders or people with antisocial mentality who have not learned to respect women in society need to be identified, and they need to understand that you need to get back on track in order to build a civil society. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and pass your valuable comments in comment box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day.